Pretty flooded.
You can't even tell if there was a bridge right there.
There's a sign. There is a bridge under there somewhere. Crazy, right?
Yeah.
Whoop, whoop. I've never seen it over Talc Street like this.
Right.
Look at it rushing. Woohoo! That's where the pool and fitness centre is, and that's where the water is. So flooded. Crazy. We're here at the church and the kids hub and Melody, and we're just checking the flooding. It's getting there. It would have to rain a whole lot more to impact our buildings, but this creek is full as. So full, and it's rushing pretty quick, so I think it will still go up with the inflow today and a little bit more rain predicted. Pretty confident our buildings are safe though. So this is at the bottom of our street. We're quite elevated, so we're at absolutely no risk at all, but look how fast it's rushing over the bridge. So flooded.